Welcome to my tutorial section one more time. My name is Michael and I'm recording this from my Tama Abuja. Thank you. Now I have clicked on projects and I've also clicked on new project. So I'm going to type in my project name as display. Now if you're typing your project name, make sure that you don't have any space in it because it's not going to work. So after typing it, your page will load up in about a sec and you're going to see that with a blank phone page. See that with a blank phone page. So if you have saved your project previously, you're going to see all of them there. So now going straight to the point. Now we want this app to display a message if we click on a button. Okay, first and foremost, I'm going to choose a button. Okay, now this is a button that will be clicked. Then I'm going to choose this component called notifier. So I'm going to drag it on top of the screen. It won't show on the screen because it is a non-visible component. So all I'm going to do is to come to the properties of the button. So how do I get to the properties of the button? So I'm going to click on the button exactly. Then I will come to this place. What I can say is click for display. Okay, fine. So we have clicked, we have changed that. So you can see that's changed to click for display. I'm going to change the name of the screen name as well. I want to change this from this default screen one to display. So I'm going to click on the screen, then I will select display. So there you see that it will be changed. Now my screen, I can also change the color of my screen, the default color of my screen. I can change the background color. I can decide to choose color. See, it's color. So I can change the background of the screen. Now let's quickly go straight to the point. Now a user is supposed to click on this button and something is supposed to show on the screen. So what do? So we quickly go to the blocks. We go to the block. Now you see this is my first button. It's called button 1. Now when my user taps button 1, what should the phone do? Alright, so we click on notifier. The notifier should display something. Then we'll select this one here. Okay, this block here. We'll select call notifier. Okay, to show message, title, and button text. Okay, what exactly are we going to show? So we're going to come to this component called text. We will scroll up. Then we will drag it in here. Okay, we can right click on this and duplicate it. We'll drop this one in here. We can also right click on this one and duplicate it. We'll drop it in here. That's fine. So after dropping that in here, so I'm going to type, okay, this is just a display for you to see. So the title will be display. Then there is going to be the OK button. Okay, so we have done this, so and we are set. So we are going to come back to our designer. So if this button is clicked, something should show. So how do we test our app if our app is working? So we will come to connect. Let me reset connection. We'll come to connect, then we will click on emulator. So it's going to take 1 to 2 minutes for this emulator to build up. Okay. Um, it's coming up in about a sec. So the emulator is loading. Now, if you do not have this emulator inside your laptop, you need to download this software called AI Starter. It will be installed inside your computer system. In case you don't have an Android phone, this is what you should do. You should install this this app inventor emulator inside your laptop, because if you don't have a phone, this is what you're going to use to test out your application. You can see that the emulator has loaded in form of a phone. It has loaded in form of a phone. It looks exactly like an Android phone. You can see all the functions and all the features and all that. So it has finished loading. So we are supposed to wait for about um, 6 more seconds or so. Sometimes if your network is poor, oh, wait. Oh, fine. So there we go. We have it. So if a user should click on, now you can see that I have clicked on display. You can see the message that it has shown. This is just a display for you to see. The title of it is display. If you click OK, it will go back. So if a user should click on display, you will see to show this message. This is just a display for you to see. So I want you to subscribe to my channel if you want this to continue.